This Bootstrapped SaaS product is disrupting the logistics industry. You'll be learning about a product called Grasshopper Labs. It's a cloud-based platform that leverages artificial intelligence to streamline transportation and warehousing operations for businesses of all sizes. You'll be learning about the founders, how it all got started, how they acquired their first customers, and the strategies they're currently using to grow their business. So first up, why was Grasshopper created? The idea came from the two co-founders' experience working at their previous company. This company was called Deliverite. It was founded in 2015, and it was a nationwide tech-driven solution for the heavy goods industry. And their work at this company highlighted a gap in the market. And this was that while many companies were tracking the final mile delivery for small parcels, the world of bulky and specialized items remained fragmented. And the two co-founders saw an opportunity to build a product that was a comprehensive first to final mile solution specifically designed for these challenging goods. And initially, what was Grasshopper was an internal tool optimizing heavy goods delivery within their previous company's network. However, once they recognized this vast and underserved market, they made the decision to spin off Grasshopper as a standalone solution in 2020. And by launching it as a separate entity, they aim to empower a wider range of businesses and revolutionize the logistics industry. In terms of how the new business was funded, because of the first company's initial success, they took the self-funded approach. And this bootstrapping strategy has allowed them to maintain complete control of the company. And this lets them decide the company's vision and direction while fostering a culture of resourcefulness and innovation. Next up, let's dive into how they found their first clients and customers. At first, this started with word of mouth, as they were able to build on previous relations, and within the first few years, their user base grew organically as Satisfy's logistic network customers and partners enthusiastically shared their experiences. This was all backed by having a really strong product that customers liked with a high value proposition, and it's so compelling that some large corporate customers even encourage their partners to migrate from existing systems to Grasshopper, helping to solidify their foothold in the industry. In terms of what their first year of business looked like, it was a whirlwind of innovation, learning, and adaptation. And although really excited, they experienced quite a few challenges along the way. However, they were to push through these while being agile, and this let them pivot quickly, fine-tuning the Grasshopper platform to better address the target audience's specific needs and pain points. And they really embrace the fail fast, learn faster mentality, and they emerged from that first year with a more robust product market fit product and a resolute determination to revolutionize the logistics industry. If you've gotten this far in the video, I'm sure you want to build your own micro SaaS, but first you're going to need some ideas. And that's where I have you covered with sneaky micro SaaS ideas you can steal for free. There's a link in the description below. I also have a complete academy that's going to show you how to build, launch, and profit from your very own micro SaaS, even if you don't have any product ideas or any SaaS experience. There's a link in the description below for this complete academy, so make sure you check that out there. Next up, let's dive into strategies they use to help grow the business. And this relied on two key pillars. The first one was forging strategic partnerships, and the second one was pioneering innovative solutions. And by forging these key partnerships and alliances, it allowed them to extend their reach and introduce Grasshopper to a broader customer base. Additionally, by strategically aligning themselves with companies serving similar industries, they were helped there by gaining access to new networks and potential customers who might not have been readily identifiable through traditional marketing channels. As mentioned, the second pillar is innovation. Grasshopper has strived to be a true differentiator and is constantly pushing the boundaries and developing solutions that didn't exist before. These strategies include leveraging cutting-edge AI and automation techniques to streamline processes and optimize logistic networks. And throughout this, they've really broken industry norms, and this has proved to be a very powerful driver of customer acquisition, and it should help fuel their growth in the long run. In terms of revenue generation, it's a pretty standard SaaS approach, and they have a tiered subscription model. This allows businesses from all different sizes to benefit from the platform's functionalities, as they simply just scale the monthly fees based on the user needs. Additionally, Grasshopper also has its own app store, and customers can access a growing range of complementary services and integration, further extending Grasshopper's value proposition while generating an additional revenue stream for them. Let's learn about the team now. Currently, they have about 22 individuals working in-house across various departments, and the two co-founders are Ori Anavim and Doug Ladden. They've grown down to several departments, including having a research and development team that spearheads their commitment to continuous innovation. Next up, let's take a look at what differentiates Grasshopper from its competitors. And it really starts from their overall approach. Rather than building a logistics software company from a distance, they built their company from the ground up inside of a warehouse. Their developers weren't just writing code, they were loading trailers, driving trucks, and working alongside warehouse personnel. This let them gain first-hand experience and a deep understanding of workers' challenges. And this let them truly understand the needs of specific warehouse employees and drivers, helping them to streamline overall operations. Ori also has some parting advice to other entrepreneurs. It's extremely important to quantify and measure the value you deliver to your customers, as if you can't clearly demonstrate your product's positive impact on the bottom line, you might be offering the wrong solution, as customers need to grasp the return on investment quickly and effortlessly, as you don't want them guessing how the product can benefit them. Present clear metrics and data that showcase a positive impact, and shift the focus away from a traditional sales pitch, as when the product proposition is essentially undeniable, it makes the sell that much easier. So this is going to conclude the video on Grasshopper. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll also leave a link in the description below for the original source material for this video. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.